Hello children, today we continue with the chapter 8 and today's our topic is some other safety rules. In the previous class we have learned about the safety rules. We should always follow safety rules because they help us to avoid accidents. And we have learned some road safety rules also. Always walk on the footpath, cross the road at a zebra crossing. And today we are going to learn some other safety rules, some common safety rules. Do not play with sharp things like blade, knife and scissors. You may cut your finger. So the children, they are not supposed to play with sharp objects like a blade, a knife and scissors, because you people don't know how to use these things properly. So what will happen? You may cut your finger. So it is very dangerous. Don't play with such kinds of things. Never touch the electrical points with wet hands. You may get an electric shock. If your hands are wet, means there is water on your hands, so you are not supposed to touch the switches or electrical points because you may get an electric shock due to the water on your hands. Do not jump on the sofa and bed. You may fall and get hurt. So you are supposed to sit quietly on the sofa or bed. You are not supposed to jump on that. Do not fight while playing. During playtime, we know that we have to follow a lot of rules and regulations. If anybody is breaking the rules and regulations, we should not be fight with them. We should make them understand what we have to do and don't fight with other children. Wait for your turn on the swing. We know that in the park there are a lot of children coming for playing. So what we have to do, we have to wait for your turn. Don't push or pull anybody to sit on the swing. You have to wait for your turn and you can sit on the swing and you can enjoy the daytime. Never go alone for swimming. So if you want to go for swimming, what you have to do, you have to take elders or parents with you. Don't go alone because water is very dangerous. So you are not supposed to go alone. Go with your parents or elders. Some other safety rules are also given here. Do not play on the road. Never run and catch the bus. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Walk on the footpath. Do not play near the fire. Never put objects into ears or nose. Never play with matchbox. Take care while lighting firecrackers. Keep distance while watching television. Keep first aid box at home. Don't get any gift or sweets from the strangers. Always use float while swimming. Never lean out of a low terrace wall. So all these are the common safety rules. All these safety rules we should follow. Next, we should follow some classroom rules also. When you are at school, when you are in the classroom, what you have to do, you have to follow some classroom rules also. Listen carefully to the teacher. Follow directions given by the teacher. Work quietly. Do not disturb others who are working. Respect others. Be kind with your words and actions. Respect school and your personal property. Work and play safely. All these are the classroom rules. And here Some common rules are also back to school. 10 safety rules you should know. Know your name, phone number and address. It is very important. Do not eat anything given to you by a stranger. Do not climb the fence during recess. Do not walk away from your home alone. Do not play with fire. Never go anywhere with a stranger. Stay where you are if you are lost. Know your bus number and follow all school bus safety rules. Do not give anyone your address or phone number unless it is an emergency. Do not do anything that makes you feel uncomfortable. So today we have learned some safety rules. And today's your homework is exercise A, page number 52. Tick the correct answer. Do this exercise in the copy and textbook. Tick the correct option. We should throw a banana peel in the green dustbin. We should not play with a knife. Exercise makes our muscles strong. Our body requires at least 8 hours of rest. Exercise B, filling the blanks. Never touch electrical points with dash hands. Never touch electrical points with wet hands. Dash helps to recover a tired body. Rest helps to recover a tired body. Dash should be covered. Drains should be covered. Garbage should not be dash. Garbage should not be burnt. So read this chapter 8, and do this exercise A and B in the textbook and copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.